Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can verify your Wise account. So let's jump right into it. First, go to the Wise website and log into your account. Once you're inside, you might see that you can't send money, yet that's because your identity needs to be verified. To begin the process, click on the Send button from your home screen. Now choose any amount to send. For example, you can enter 100 just for the sake of verification. Then continue by selecting any payment method. It doesn't matter because we are not actually completing a real transfer here, just triggering the ID check. After that, choose any recipient. You can even pick yourself. Once you do that, the system will ask you to verify your identity. Here, you'll get two options: scan a QR code or get a link by email. Choose the option that works for you. If you select email, open your inbox on your phone and tap the link sent by Wise. Now follow the steps to take a clear photo of your government ID. After that, take a selfie where your face is fully visible. When both the ID and selfie are submitted, go back to your browser tab and tap on the button that says you've finished verifying. Now your identity will be reviewed, and your account will be verified shortly.